Hi! In front of me is TECNO SPARK 10 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password, add it to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just click on one of your added ones that you wish to edit, like my Facebook one. Enter your current login method and tap on Edit button. Then change wherever you wish to. And hit Save at the top right corner to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!